You spend evenings watching endless software tutorials. You feel like you're falling behind again. Every morning, a new model makes yesterday's skills completely obsolete. As you stare at the glowing screen, the anxiety of being replaced feels suffocating. The pace of change feels entirely impossible to manage. You're testing models and collecting prompts right now. You're convinced you're doing the responsible thing. The world tells you to keep up or disappear. But here's the harsh truth. You are building your future on shifting sand, because technology is evolving far faster than you can learn it. You start collecting tools instead of building capabilities. Soon your browser is a graveyard of useless bookmarks. Your portfolio remains completely empty as your professional growth stalls. If you build your career on mastering one software interface, you'll soon wake up to discover your hard work is a cheap commodity. Artificial intelligence is developing at a dizzying speed. The Stanford 2025 AI Index reports a massive cost reduction. What once cost $20 now costs just 7 cents. That is a staggering 280-fold reduction. The barrier to entry has completely collapsed for every person on Earth. So it's time for the great reframe. This explainer isn't telling you to stop learning. It's telling you to embrace a new perspective entirely. The tool collector chases every shiny application, becoming obsolete the moment the interface updates. But the mission designer understands the underlying problem. When you focus on designing solutions instead of chasing features, you gain the clarity needed to lead. First up, amplify domain expertise. Amplifying domain expertise means using AI as a multiplier for your existing industry knowledge. You must transform how you view your existing knowledge rather than starting from zero by learning AI first. You already possess highly valuable insight into your specific industry. By selectively multiplying your human wisdom, you reclaim the power that technology threatened to take away. Next is Principle 2, Architect Collaborative Systems. Architecting collaborative systems means designing processes where you define goals and let AI execute. You have to stop doing isolated, disconnected, individual tasks right now. Instead of writing a single email, you must design the overall process and let agents handle repetitive execution. You must deeply consider which tasks stay human and which go to machines, stepping up as a true manager of intelligence. Organizations are evolving into what researchers call frontier firms. The Microsoft Work Trend Index confirms this vital shift, too. AI is moving from a simple chat assistant to taking on complex agent tasks. The future heavily rewards advanced users who can successfully direct these autonomous agents to complete complex workflows. Principle 3. Prioritize human judgment. Prioritizing human judgment is the vital ability to decide what is worth executing today. You must aggressively focus on your highest level capabilities that technology simply cannot standardize. In a world drowning in abundant AI-generated information, deciding what is actually worth executing becomes everything. Your decisive judgment will completely separate the true leaders from the followers, serving as your ultimate competitive advantage. The urgency of this shift cannot be overstated. The LinkedIn Work Change Report reveals a staggering projection. They estimate 70% of job skills will change by 2030. You must fiercely protect your strategic thinking right now, because human judgment is the one capability that machines cannot easily replicate. Our final principle: master radical adaptability. Mastering radical adaptability involves building a personal learning system to understand tomorrow's technology faster. You simply cannot build a solid career on a frozen, static skill set. The entire digital landscape will look completely different 5 short years from now. Visual interfaces will constantly change, but if your core ability is to adapt, you will thrive in any environment. You must learn to speak the language of value. Focus on increasing revenue, reducing costs, or saving vital time. The future doesn't care how many prompts you've memorized. It only cares about enduring human capabilities like strategic thinking, leadership, communication, and relationship building. These are the vital traits that will comfortably survive every technological revolution. Stop learning AI without a clear, meaningful destination. Learn the technology, but deeply master the people and the strategy. The machines are ready to execute your vision effortlessly. So what will you choose to build tomorrow? Your judgment is the only tool that never needs an update.